Hey, what's up, guys? Anna here from the Anna, Kenny, Nathan Show, and it's been a few years since I've made a video with my brothers, Kenny, and Nathan.
Hi.
How old are you now?
9.
They're 9 now. The last time we made a video, they were like 3. So it's been about 6 years. Lots have changed. Let's get right to it. I have taught them how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So now they're going to solve the Rubik's Cube for you guys. All right. So, Kenny, tell us about your Rubik's Cube record right now.
2 minutes and 6 seconds. 0.1. I could have got 5 seconds, but...
All right. And Nathan, tell us about your record.
3:19.
Do you think you can beat that?
Yay! Yes.
All right, boys. You can't start yet.
I'm not.
Nathan, you cheater!
I'm practicing.
Nathan, you cheater! You're cheating. Kenny, mess up that cube. Right, ready. Hands flat. Set. Go. Try to keep your hands up above the table so I can actually see what's going on. Their faces are so intense.
Yeah, I'm doing great so far.
Kenny's getting all tense over there. So yeah, a little about Kenny and Nathan right now. Kenny, they're twins, if you guys didn't know. And they are both in 4th grade now. And the last time we made a video, they were in like kindergarten or something like that, or 3, or I forget. It's been a long time. But Kenny over here, there's a video of him floating out there on the internet, one of our videos, of him solving the Rubik's Cube. He was doing one of the algorithms that you need to solve the Rubik's Cube. So, if you want to see that, if you want to see young little Kenny right here.
It was only 3 when I did it.
You can click on his head right here, in this beautiful region right here.
Wait, are you gonna like edit it out and then put some and like?
I'm pinching your ear. I'm having too much fun with this. All right, you look close, and you look close. You look like you've got yellow cross going on. And Nathan, what do you got? What do you got going on over there? Ooh,
Yellow cross.
He's got a yellow cross going on over there too. If you guys don't know what that means, it's all right. It just means he's almost done. Okay, Kenny is heading to the last steps of this.
Yeah, I think I messed up.
You didn't finish putting it in yet.
I thought you were talking about me.
Idiot.
I didn't see it. How long did it take me?
All right, good job, boys. Those cubes are all solved.
That was not
Solved. But Kenny, that was a little savage of you. You didn't do very well. Come over here into the little camera view. Kenny, what do you have to say about that solve? What did you do right and what did you do wrong?
I think I messed up a few of them, so I slowed down a lot. I could have got better than 3 minutes, at about 4 minutes actually.
4 minutes?
That was
4
like
minutes?
Yeah, that was like 4 minutes because that was like 50 something when I was done solving it.
What? Wait, did you look at my camera?
Yes.
Because it's wrong. And Nathan, tell me, what did you think you did right and what did you think you did wrong?
I think I did everything right.
You think you did everything right? You're pretty confident. I like it.
Yeah.
Are you going to look at the camera?
Yeah.
All right, guys.
I was hypnotized.
What? What'd you say? You mean hypnotized?
Yeah. Whatever.
So, thank you as always for tuning in to the Anna, Kenny, Nathan show. We might start posting regularly again, but I don't know. I got school, they got school. So, we'll see you guys next time.
Bye!
We're still here. Bye. Again, bye.